Hello traders, welcome to another daily token setup. So I'm gonna be walking you guys through my NZD JPY sell. I just got in this trade right now, so I just wanted to share with you guys the reason behind the trade and where my targets are, where my stop loss are is. So without further ado, let's dive straight into this video. So we're gonna start off from the daily time frame like always. Uh, what we're going to look for is the overall direction. And we can easily identify the overall direction just by looking at where the market is trading against the moving average. If we are trading above the moving average, that means we're in an uptrend. If we are trading below the moving average, that means we're in a downtrend. And as we can clearly see, we are trading below the moving averages, which indicates that we are in a downtrend. Now, um, coming into this week, on Monday and last Friday, we had this bullish candlestick retracement um, towards the level of interest in the market. And when we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we'll realize the reason why market retraced back into a level of interest. But moving on, we could clearly identify that we've created series of high, low, higher low, higher high, lower high, lower low. This might be a possible um, lower high. So clearly, we can identify that the overall direction on the daily time frame is we are in a downtrend. So moving on to the 4-hour time frame, where we look at recent price action, we can clearly see that we created a high, then a low, then created this high, okay, which is the higher, the lower high. Then we created this low, which is the lower low, and then price retrace back into an area of interest where we made the new lower high, and the trade was taken around this level and to target back towards this previous lower and even lower. So pretty much we could see that. So let me mark this out. This is our lower high. So I just call it structure. Okay. So I call it structure. This was our lower high. We could also regard this as a lower high, but this is the high that broke this low. This was the high that broke this low. Okay. That led to this break of structure. This is the high that led to the break of structure to the downside. So that's the reason why I would regard this as my lower low or lower high. So can you use this to draw it out? We have high, low, lower high, lower low. We trace back into to create the new lower high, and this is where we took our sell from. So why did I take the sell around this level, around 82 spot 280? Why did I take my sell around that level? Well, pretty much so we can utilize the we could utilize the gangbusters, which is the premium and discount level in the market to find the best level to take the trade from. So utilizing our gangbusters from this high to this low, like I always say, this level, this purple level, is known as premium. Okay, and this level to the downside, this blue level, is known as discount. This is our discount level and our premium level. And we will always want to trade, especially when we're looking to take a sell. We always want to take a sell from the premium level, which is this purple zone. And if we're looking to take a buy, we want to take a price on the discount, which is the um this blue zone. So you can also take premium and discount level as supply and demand. So this discount level is your demand, and this premium is your supply. So moving down to the 1 hour time frame where I actually took the trade. So pretty much I just took the trade after the close of this bearish candlestick after I identified on the 4-hour time frame an area of interest. So we had this resistance on the 4-hour time frame. We had this level of resistance. You can see the market reacted strongly from this level, which indicates there's a lot of supply around this level, a lot of traders going into sales around this level with this um, um, rejection candlestick to the downside. So we took a sell once price traded into premium level into this area of resistance. We took a sell on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, right here, and our stop loss was I think 8 to 600. That's where our stop loss. So 8 to 600. Our entry was 8 to 80, and our take profit was at 79500. Okay, so that was our take profit. Is our stop loss, and in between, of course, like as usual, I always tell traders that um, try to take partials when you're in profit, just so that you can secure some profit. Okay, so at the first take profit around this level, which is around 81,350, and the second take profit around 8,400. Okay, okay, so this is my first take profit, my second take profit, and my final take profit. So this is a trade that I just got in on NZD JPY, and we like do we understand the reason behind the trade is due to the fact that on the daily time frame we are in a bearish market due to the fact that we were creating a series of highs, low, lower high, lower low. We went to the 4-hour time frame where we identified the price retraced back into a level of a premium level in the market, and it's also reacting from a level of interest. This resistance right here, and this resistance is a strong resistance because we had this uh, rejection candlestick, this bearish rejection candlestick from this resistance. And so on the 1-hour time frame, we took a sell at 82.80, 82.800, and our target was 79.500. So this is my trade on NZDA, and I hope you all can get into the sell um, once the video is uploaded. So